Welcome everybody, it's Kelly Driver here. Today we're going to have another acrylic pouring session. I'm going to do another Dutch pour, and today is a commission piece which is just lovely. I'm going to be doing the same type of painting as my Love is Golden artwork, and I will try and see if I've got the skills to put a little picture of the painting in the corner of this video afterwards. Otherwise I'll pop it in there somewhere so you can see what it looks like. I have all my paints mixed up. It's almost, the paints are almost identical to last time, and I'm really looking forward to doing this commission piece because it was mind-blowing doing it last time with these colours, with a Prussian blue base and lots of purples and this amazing gold yellow to go with it. So let's begin, let's paint. Okay everyone, I've got a canvas here where I've previously had a painting on it that didn't work out. It was just too dark. It was a lovely painting, but it was just too dark. Here we go, we've got a Prussian blue base. I've got a lovely base coat there, that's fantastic, happy with that. So the first colour I'm putting on today is phthalo blue, and I'm going to do a large band and a smaller band. So why don't I start with the large one here, I think. And a smaller one. Now last time I didn't include any white, but today I am going to lighten everything up. So I don't need to have a lot of white, but just some. So that will give it a different effect, but I'm hoping that that will work. Now I've got ultramarine violet light. We've got Caput Mortem Violet. Finally got the hang of saying that paint name. I really struggled with this one at the start. Now we've got Permanent Blue Violet. And we've got Gold Yellow. This one, when I did the original Love is Golden, this colour was absolutely phenomenal. It was very dominant and it just looked great. So I'm going to do a nice thick coat of this because I want it to be dominant again. And my client also really loved the gold in it. Some copper. Last time I went quite light on with the copper, but I'll go a bit, I went a bit heavier today. Gold and pearl blue. There we go. Okay, so I'll flood the canvas with some more of the Prussian blue. Okay, as per usual, blow the paint over Okay, whoa! I think I've got a winner. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. The pearl here is fantastic. Wow, that's pretty there. There we go. That's beautiful. That is enough. Okay, I'm really pleased with this, and I'm very sure my client will be. Now we've just got to hope that everything stays put on here. If my sides are a bit thin, I'll be able to paint them later. Afterwards, that's fine. That does happen with Prussian blue. Anyway, I'll bring you down for a close-up of this magnificent painting. Let's have a zoom around. So my client, in the original Love is Golden painting, my client loved the gold yellow. So that's why I did an extra bit in this painting, and it's come out beautiful. It looks fantastic against the permanent blue violet up there. And then coming down to the lower half of the painting, we've got more white showing up here, which is really great because that will help lighten and brighten the whole painting. So I'm glad that I've put that small amount of white in there. So thank you very much for watching today, everybody. My name is Kelly Driver, and I will see you next time for another video of my abstract art. Thank you for watching. Bye.